Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if BMO offers certificates of deposit, also known as CDS. Yes, BMO does offer certificates of deposit. If you are looking to lock in a fixed interest rate and grow your savings over a set period, BMO provides several options depending on how you prefer to bank. BMO features standard branch-based CDS, limited-time CD specials, and IRA CDS for retirement savings. Their standard and special time options typically range from 1 month to 60 months. For standard branch-based accounts, the minimum opening deposit is generally $1,000 for most terms. Those shorter 1 to 2 month terms may require a higher balance threshold. In addition to traditional branch banking, BMO offers digital options through its online division, BMO Alto. BMO Alto provides online-only certificates of deposit that often feature competitive yields with no minimum deposit requirement to open. While standard BMO branch CDS tend to offer low baseline interest rates, their promotional CD specials and BMO Alto online CDS provide more competitive returns. There are no monthly maintenance fees charged on BMO CDS, but you will face an early withdrawal penalty if you pull your money out before the maturity date. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.